Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an entrepreneur or someone looking to kickstart your online business, today's video might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. We're diving deep into a system called the Authority Builder System. This is a tool that promises to eliminate the headaches of building your online business, helping you generate leads, drive traffic, and position yourself as an authority in your niche without all the guesswork and confusion that typically comes with starting out. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to navigate through all the different strategies for getting noticed online, building credibility, and actually making sales, you're not alone. It's a common struggle. But what if you could bypass all of that? Imagine having a complete, ready-to-use system that helps you attract traffic, generate leads, and get results from the very beginning. Sounds too good to be true? Let's break it down and see if the Authority Builder System really delivers on its promise. First of all, let's talk about what the Authority Builder System is. This is essentially a business in a box. It's a step-by-step solution designed to get your business up and running with minimal effort on your part. The system is broken down into 3 easy-to-follow steps. First, you learn. There's an entire members area filled with detailed, easy-to-understand training that guides you through the entire process. Then, you take action, putting what you've learned into practice and starting to see results. Finally, you grow, watching your business flourish as you implement the proven strategies laid out for you. The genius behind the Authority Builder System is Wayne Crowe, an experienced entrepreneur who has been around the online business world for a long time. Wayne has developed several successful products over the years, and now he's teamed up with Catherine Savard, one of his top students. Catherine took Wayne's teachings and turned them into a thriving business, and now she's sharing her knowledge and strategies within this system. Together, Wayne and Catherine combine their expertise to deliver a system that's truly designed for success. But what makes this system different from everything else out there? Well, first off, it's all about eliminating the typical roadblocks that slow people down. We all know how tough it can be to generate traffic to your site, build credibility, or even figure out how to position yourself as an authority in your niche. The Authority Builder System solves all of that by giving you a ready-to-go viral funnel. This funnel is designed to attract people who are eager to grow their businesses with you, and it takes care of the heavy lifting, like driving traffic and generating leads automatically. Here's where things get even more exciting. You don't need any hardcore selling skills to make this system work. The funnel is built to do the selling for you. It's a great option for anyone who feels uncomfortable with the idea of aggressive sales tactics. You'll still build trust and authority, but it's all done in a more natural, hands-off way. The system positions you as an expert in your niche and attracts people who are interested in what you have to offer. It's like having your own personal sales team working behind the scenes while you focus on growing your business. Another thing I really like about the Authority Builder System is the ongoing support. You're not left on your own to figure it all out. There's expert guidance available every step of the way, from the initial training to the advanced strategies you'll need as your business grows. You'll also have access to a professional members area where you can easily manage your business, track your progress, and access all the tools you need to scale. And if you ever hit a snag or have a question, there's a responsive support team ready to assist you at any time. Now, let's talk about the training itself. It's thorough, clear, and actionable. Each lesson is laid out in a way that anyone, even if you're just starting, can follow. Whether you're completely new to online marketing or have some experience, you'll find value in the training. It takes you through everything from setting up your business to scaling it, showing you exactly how to turn your dreams into a reality. The system also includes a built-in lead generation tool that automatically brings traffic to your offers, which can be one of the toughest parts of growing an online business. By using the system, you're tapping into a tried-and-true process that's already proven to work. You're getting access to a complete business system that handles all the hard work for you. And if you're someone who likes to leverage technology, the system even includes AI-powered automation to save you time and make your marketing efforts even more efficient. Now, let's get into the cost. The Authority Builder system is incredibly affordable, priced at just $12.95. For that small investment, you get access to everything: the proven blueprint, the traffic and lead generation system, expert training, ongoing support, and much more. This price is only available for a limited time though, so if you're interested, now's the time to jump on it before the cost increases. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the system risk-free and get your money back if it doesn't work for you. So, if you've been struggling with building your online business or feel like you're spinning your wheels, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Authority Builder System is simple, effective, and comes with all the tools and support you need to succeed. It's an investment in your future, and it's hard to beat for the price. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.